So I assume you're looking for a small business loan. Well, there's not a lot of video out there, so I thought it'd be a good idea to put this together to give you a few things that you should know and some questions that you should ask when you're vetting out a small business loan for your business. Thanks for tuning in to Grow by Joe. So if you don't know me, my name is Joe Camberato, and I'm the president and co-founder of a company called National Business Capital and Services. Since 2007, me and my team have helped small business owners just like you obtain over $1 billion in financing for their businesses. If anyone can explain small business financing and what you need to know, I am definitely your guy. So first off is you definitely want to make sure that you're dealing with a reputable company. I mean, that may seem obvious, but the reality is there's a lot of different options out there today. This fintech revolution has sparked all these small business lenders, which is a great thing, but it also makes it really confusing for business owners just like you. And there's a million different options. So it's like, where do you go? Who do you trust? Who is the best programs? It's super, super confusing, and I definitely get that. But any company you're working with, you want to make sure they have a good reputation. You want to check their reviews. You want to make sure they have an online presence, and you want to make sure that they're a real company. Second is you want to make sure that the company that you're dealing with has access to more than just one lender and one financing product. The reality is there are all these lenders, but not every lender lends to every type of business. And even if your business is a franchise, your business and your profile and your sales are different from the guys down the road. So basically, certain lenders only lend to certain industries. Certain lenders only work with people with excellent credit. Some lenders work with people with okay credit. Some lenders work with people with not the best credit. Some lenders only work with business owners doing X amount of sales. Some lenders only work with business owners that have been in business for a certain period of time. So the company that you're working with really needs to have access to all these different products and lenders that are out there. That's the exact reason why I founded my company back in 2007, and we've now built a platform that has over 75 different lenders on it. This is really important because it makes us extremely nimble. We always have access and are always adding lenders to that platform so we can deliver the best financing programs that are available today to you as a business owner. So again, it's really important that the lender isn't just offering one product or service. Next, you want to make sure the lender or company that you're working with can grow with you. Meaning some lenders cap out at $50,000, $100,000, $150,000, $250,000, $500,000, and so on. Just because you're with a lender right now that may cap out at a certain loan amount, that's okay, but you just want to know what that is. So as your business is growing, you know when maybe you need to make a move as you need more access to capital. The reality is as you grow, you're going to need to continue to access capital in order to get your business to that next level. So some of the best products on the market today are business term loans. They typically go out to about 24 and 36 months. They usually have weekly or bi-monthly payments. And sometimes monthly payments. Small business loans, they're typically 12 to 24 months. They have set rates and set payment terms, and then a revolving business line of credit. Those three are the top financing programs on the market today. They're all great. They all work just a little bit differently. The rates typically start at anywhere from 8 to 9% and go on up based on risk, your time in business, your sales, your industry, and sometimes even your state that you're in. Also, your personal and business credit gets looked at as well. Again, every lender has different requirements, so there's not a one-size-fits-all type of lender that's out there. Again, it's really important to be working with someone that has access to all these different programs and lenders. Another product that can be great are SBA loans. They're really great if you're looking to buy a building that your business is in. They go out to 25-year terms, and you only have to put 10% down if you're buying a building. The SBA also has a working capital product. It is a time-consuming product. There is a lot of paperwork, so you definitely will need to be prepared for that if you're looking to go that route. If you're looking to use financing for, income-generating opportunities, an SBA loan might not be the best way to go. That working capital product is over a 10-year term, and the prime rate has come up. So right now, prime rate is 5.5% as I make this video. Typically, an SBA loan is 5.5% plus 1 to 3%. So let's just call it prime plus 2%. That would put you at about 7.5% right now. 7.5% amortized over a 10-year period, you actually wind up paying back on $100,000 about $145,000. So there are some other great products like the business term loans, small business loans, and credit lines where the costs are actually less and a heck of a lot easier to get. An SBA loan can take anywhere from 60 to 120 days with a ton of paperwork. Some of the other products that are available on the market today is a simple digital application, 3 to 6 months of bank statements. If it's over $150,000, you need your financials, but typically you can have an answer in 1 to 3 business days, which is great. We've streamlined that process, made it a heck of a lot easier. We're connecting right into underwriting at all the top lenders across the country and getting our clients answers within hours. So I know I just threw a ton of information at you. I hope it's really helpful. Again, remember, it's not one size fits all when it comes to a small business lender. There are a lot of different options out there, so you want to be working with someone that can provide, and more importantly, explain those different options because it can be confusing. And reputation is important, so make sure that you're doing your homework. So as I mentioned earlier, since 2007, me and my team at National Business Capital and Services have helped small business owners obtain $1 billion in financing. We've been able to do that because we put a major focus on convenience to our small business owners, and we've done that through technology and also really great people. So we don't believe in just utilizing technology. We believe utilizing technology to make everyone's life easier and bring convenience to you and our employees on the inside so we can process your application super quickly. But we also believe in having talented and knowledgeable people that you can speak to and get all of your questions answered so we can ensure that you're getting the right program that makes sense for your business needs. If you'd like to learn more, connect with one of my team members. Check out the link below in my description. Everyone on my team is awesome. They'd be more than happy to spend the time with you, answer any questions you have, and make the process really easy in obtaining a small business loan to help your business grow. Thanks for tuning in to Grow by Joe. I hope this video gave you some really good insight on small business loans today. If it was helpful, if you enjoyed it, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Also, drop any comments you have below. Again, thanks for tuning in, and I wish you nothing but success in growing your business. Take care, and we'll talk soon.